big storm's coming soon. Passed out in my hammock, and God, I slept way past noon. Stood up and tried to focus. I hoped I wouldn't have to look far. I knew I could use a Bloody Mary, so I stumbled next door to the bar. Now I must confess, I could use some rest. I can't run at this pace very long. Yes, it's quite insane. I think it hurts my brain, but it cleans me out, then I can go on. Hey, there's something about this Sunday, it's the most peculiar grade. Strolling down the avenue that's known as A1A. Feeling tired, then I got inspired. I knew that it wouldn't last long. So all alone I walked back home, sat on my beach, and then I made up this song. Now I must confess, I could use some rest. I can't run at this pace very long. Yes, it's quite insane. I think it hurts my brain, but it cleans me out, then I can go on. Is blowing harder now, 50 knots thereabouts. There's white caps on the ocean, and I'm watching the water spouts. It's time to close the shutters, it's time to go inside. In a week I'll be in Gay Perry, but that's a mighty long airplane ride. Now I must confess, I could use some rest. I can't run at this pace very long. Yes, it's quite insane. I think it hurts my brain, but it cleans me out, then I can go on. Yeah, it cleans me out, then I can go on.